How to fix Helldivers 2 friend list not available or not showing in your game or on your website or the game workplace. Let's start this video without any further delay. In order to solve or fix this issue that you are not able to see your friend list or the friends with whom you play the game, that is Helldivers 2, so how can we simply solve this issue and get our friends back and the list back on our game here? Firstly, this type of error only occurs due to the lag, bug, or the network connection error on your mobile phone or your PS5 wherever you're playing this game. So firstly, make sure that you are connected with a good internet connection. Just as me, that is my Wi-Fi network is fully, that is a network connection area, as you can see. The second thing is I will make sure that I have updated my game software or my device software. And the third thing is you simply have to restart the device wherever you're playing this game and then just restart your game. It will connect better and then you will see your friend list again. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos, updates and reviews like this.